Okay, everybody. Hello. My name is Andre, and welcome to my channel. The 19 CVD channel is about marketing and ways to make money online in 2020 and beyond. So, a lot of crazy stuff happening outside with the corona. So, we really have to find a way of how to market our business inside the internet. So, without further ado, let's just see what are we going to talk about today. So a few days before, I have discovered a nice company which is still in beta, but they are going to release, I believe, tomorrow or today. That's what they say on the 6th of October. They are in the beta version for, I think, 1 year, and they are doing so good. They just said that a lot of softwares are going to be released in 2021, but they already got released. So let's check the company. So the company is called GrooveFunnels, and basically, what are they so powerful? Why they're so powerful is just because for the first time in the history, a software company, landing page builder, and payment system, you can have them literally for free, no credit card required ever. So this is really important, this is very nice, and there's not a single company which gave more than 14 days of a free trial to use their software. Sorry about that. So yeah, the main reason why you should pay attention on this company, it's this one. So basically, if you're a beginner, especially for the beginners, you don't have to be well overwhelmed again by the monthly recurring payments which you have to pay, even if you didn't crack the code on making money yet. So if you didn't do it, just you really have to have a copy of GrooveFunnels. You can get one in my video description, and you also can get the free lifetime, no credit card required ever. So stick on to the end of this video because I have some very important things to share with you. And also, if you want to join one of our contests in the channel, you have to pop in a comment below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you like it so much, you have to do the notification bell only so you can be notified about our new video released. Okay, so let's go back to the GrooveFunnels. As I said, there's not much to say about it. On their front page, they just sell the free. They just don't sell nothing actually. They just give away the free Groove pages and Groove sell. So they are saying that they are the fastest growing funnel builder just because a lot of ClickFunnels, lead pages, Kajabi, Katra, and get response users, they just went straight away to GrooveFunnels just because it's free. So a lot of guys, they need a free software so they can start and learn more until they can afford to pay a monthly subscription. Okay, so yeah, a lot of members, 33,000 in the last 30 days. I believe that that's because of the launch. Yeah, because they're making a lot of advertising for this launch happening today or tomorrow. Okay, so free lifetime accounts for Groove pages and Groove sell. As I said, everything you need to sell a product and service online. So what do they give you? It says free unlimited products. Okay, so basically you can create as many products as you want and sell them with GrooveFunnels. Build brand websites with full navigation. That is nice. So basically, if you want to have a landing page, you can also have a navigation bar in which you can guide your lead through your page. Okay, so free custom domains. Don't get confused. This is not free custom domains. Basically, what are they trying to say is that you don't have to pay for custom domains with the free plan. Some companies, they just give you a free plan with the subdomain, and if you want to have a custom domain, you're gonna put the free the paid subscription. So not having to do this with GrooveFunnels because you can have a custom domains even with the free version of it. So free bandwidth and hosting, which is good. Again, you get the hosting from the company, so you don't have to rely on some other companies to give you the hosting. Most of the companies that they do landing pages, they give you hosting as well, but they don't do something special like GrooveFunnel does. They have many other apps inside the software, the platform. So you can have also a blog hosting, which we are going to talk about because the software is not released yet. Okay, and what most powerful affiliate program? This is again really something which we really have to talk about. GrooveFunnels, it's beyond everyone on the affiliate programs, just because they introduced one new factor. We can get a tier 2 affiliate in digital marketing, and also you have the leads are hard coded in the system, so they're not using cookies, they use hard code in the system. So basically, if someone registers from your affiliate program, they just have to do it once and they can buy 2 years after. You're still gonna get a commission. That's a very nice program, which I'm going to talk a little bit more in some other video, but let's see what this video has about to say more. So free lifetime account, Groove Pages funnel builder. So you have in the Groove Pages, you have a lot of pre-set templates which you can use if you don't have a lot of experience, and full access to Groove Sell and Groove Affiliates. So basically the Groove Affiliates lets you create your own affiliate program so other people can promote your program and earn a commission. So you can earn with your army of affiliate, you can earn together. Yeah, okay. So here we have a few examples of landing pages, lead generation pages. This is a body, treat your mind, body and soul. This is, I believe, a yoga website which has been built with the GrooveFunnels. This is again another software, I guess, or some other services or student, university. Real estate, even if you are a real estate agent, you can use Groove Pages for free and market your buildings. I don't know what you are going to market in this period, but still it's gonna be, you can do it with it. And also you can have what is this, contact. So yeah, again another lead generation and scheduling a call, which is very nice. Segmenting your audience and schedule a call with some of them. Okay, a lot of happy customers, they say. And yeah, complete affiliate system, product affiliate, market page, content delivery made easy, and analytics and data. Okay, so that was it. I can say the conclusion for this software is that if you're a seller or an affiliate, and if you struggle at the beginning and you really need some help, you really have to have your free lifetime account from my link below, which will give you the free lifetime account and also some marketing tools of which you can use to help you market your product faster and easier. Yeah, so thank you very much, guys, for sticking up with me until the end of the video. My name is Andre again, and many thanks. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.